Find three consecutive terms in AP whose sum is 21 and their product is 231. See, this question also they ask in like CBSE 2026 February. So here they're asking the three terms. Find three consecutive terms in AP whose sum is 21. So if the problem is based on three terms, so here let the three terms be, see, if we'll take the three terms, if we'll consider as a minus d, a and a plus d. If we'll take in that way, it will be easy to solve. A minus d, a and a plus d. I'll take three terms as a minus d, a and a plus d. Now here they gave the sum is 21 and the product is 231, product of three terms. So here the sum is 21, so if I'll add a minus d plus a plus d is 21. Here plus d minus d cancel. 3a equals 21. A equals 21 upon 3. So a equals 7. The value of a is 7. Now they told here the product is 231. Product is 231. So if I'll multiply the three terms, a minus d into a plus d is 231. A value is 7. 7 minus d into 7 plus d is 231. This 7 I'll transpose towards right side. So I'll get 7 minus d into 7 plus d. 7 minus d into 7 plus d is 231 by 7. 231 by 7. So if we'll take out here 231 by 7. Now here if you'll see this one, a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus 7 square minus d square. 231 by 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 3, 21. Again 2 is left, 7 times 3, 21. So it's 33. So equals 33. Now 7 square is 49 minus d square is 33. So 49 minus 33 equals d square. So 49 minus 33 is 16. So d square is 16. D equals under root 16. So d equals plus or minus 4. So here two cases arises. So suppose if d is plus 4 and a is 7, already we got. So now the terms are like a minus d, a and a plus d. So the terms will be 7 minus 4, 7, 7 plus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3, 7, 11. These will be the three terms. But there is one more series possibilities there. So here 7, 3, 7, 11. But suppose if d is, suppose if d value d is minus 4 and a is 7. In this case the three terms again a minus d, a and a plus d. Now see 7 minus of minus 4 and second term is 7 and 7 plus minus 4. So 7 plus 4, 7, 7 minus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11, 7, 7 minus 4 is 3. So 11, 7, 3. So the series 3 terms may be like 3, 7, 11, or you can add as 11, 7, 3.